Hi, today I'm going to be showing you how I made this crochet flower, and I'm going to show you how to make this following the diagram that we have here on the far right, top right corner. To begin with, I always like to chain 4 stitches and then I join them together to create a loop. I prefer this to the magic circle. I just find it easier, but you can start with a magic circle if that's what you prefer. Then I'd like to tie in the ends by just straight away using both pieces of yarn, so the tail end as well, and I just work it into the crochet. So now what I'm doing is doing single crochets around. So by the end of this, you should have a total of 8 single crochets where you will slip stitch it closed. So you'll have 8 single crochets in the round, and that will be your first round. And here I am. Okay, here we slip stitch closed. For the second round, just chain 1, and then into each stitch we are going to do half double crochets. So we're going to do 2 half double crochets into the back loop. For this, this is what I like to do anyway, into the back loop of the stitch. I like to do that because it creates, for this flower motif in particular, a nice definition for the inner circle. So you just continue doing this in the round. This is how your flower should look by the end of the second round, and by going into the back loops you can see the stitch definition in the first inner ring. Okay, for the third round we will chain 1, and then we will proceed to do 2 half double crochets into each stitch, but this time in the full stitch and not in the back of the stitch. So yeah, just continue all the way around with 2 half double crochets into each stitch. Just keep doing this and just continue this all the way around, and then slip stitch closed. Okay, now moving on to the petals after we've finished that third round, and we just go directly into chaining. So I chain 15 for the petal length, but you can make this any length that you like, but for what I prefer, I have created 15. So there's 15 chains that I'm doing here right now. And then when you're done with the chains, you go into the next stitch. Yep, so just the following stitch, and you just slip stitch there. See? And there you have your first petal. So again, let's chain 15, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and let's slip stitch into the next stitch. And now we have 2 petals. So you continue this, just keep going all the way around. It's very simple and it creates a very nice looking flower motif that you can use for embellishing bags, scarves, jackets, anything you want really. So yeah, continue the petals around. And this is the final result. I hope that you enjoy this simple flower. And if you enjoyed this tutorial, crochet tutorial, please subscribe for more content like this and hit the like button. That would really help me. Thank you so much. Bye.